Melita. You're in Bangalore. Your days are almost getting over. Haven't you done any shopping yet?
Well, you know when you go to shop, you see something and it looks good, but then there's something which you feel like I need to have you. I really didn't get that feels. I mean, like seasons change and summer's almost over. We're gonna have the fall, and then again comes the winter collection.
Right.
It keeps changing. So
Okay, so what makes you go to the malls for shopping?
because back at home, that's the only best. I really don't go for street shopping because you know there's the branded stuff which is like Levi's and Co, which stays for a longer period. You know, it doesn't get spoiled. You know, some of the fabric starts to come out and all.
Yeah, and it's only available in like Bangalore, big cities, right?
Yeah, but here it's different. Even in the street side, you see good quality clothes.
Okay.
Exceptional.
Okay. But what's it different from the street clothes?
Street clothes, in certain places you don't get the same thing. Like
Okay.
here, you get the fake ones of the real brands.
Okay.
So you go for that.
And like what makes you go particularly? Like suppose you go only on the weekends or you go only when there's a particular sale. How do you know these things?
Sale. When there's sale, you go to the malls. You get the branded stuff.
Okay.
And then when
Do you have a strategy?
not really.
Okay.
See, it's clothes. At the end of the day, if it's good, if it's $2,000, and if you feel like I need you, I have to have you, you buy it. You don't care.
Okay. So money is not a big deal
When
at
you
the
get
end
that
of the day.
feels,
Okay.
it depends. Certain clothes make you regret.
So, Sush, can you tell me why you would go shopping? Like, would you prefer branded clothes or street side shopping or the malls?
Well, there's a different season that I go to only malls because if I'm looking for like jackets or shoes, stuff that I'd be wearing for a office or you know something that I'd be using for a number of years, then I prefer going to the malls because they're kind of better quality and they come from different locations. The best part about malls is they come from all over the country and maybe even international brands. So that's the advantage with cities like Bangalore. And again, if you ask me why not street shops, street shops are just for the season, you know, like if you have pajamas that are in right now, like the ones that came out for Rockstar or palazzos or you know those crop tops. It's the thing that makes it very much into style about current situations. If you're looking for that, you get it for cheap, and there's always about bargains. You'll see a lot of tourists coming there, and you'll see bright prints and things that are very common about the particular location.
So, what do you look for when you buy clothes or shoes? What do you look for exactly when you go to street sides or malls?
Okay, first thing is like budget definitely, but that can be overruled when it is about a particular piece. Yeah, I always like collecting things that I will not find anywhere else. So many people ask me why I've bought only one of them because they will never be able to go and find that even if they go back to the same place. So it's about uniqueness. It's obviously again about taste. I like a certain thing that will appeal to only me, right? And quality of course, but at the end of the day money matters but not as much. It can be overruled. So if I like it, I have to have it. Simple as that.
Okay, bye.